Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about something super important but often overlooked: your liver. Yeah, that's right, that powerhouse organ that's working hard every day to keep you healthy. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's dive into Liver Detox 101. Alright, first things first. What exactly does your liver do? Well, think of it as your body's built-in filtration system. It's constantly working to remove toxins from your blood, produce bile to help break down fats, store essential vitamins and minerals, and even help regulate blood sugar levels. Pretty impressive, right? But here's the thing, with our modern lifestyles, we often put a lot of stress on our livers without even realizing it. Processed foods, alcohol, medications, environmental toxins, they all add up. And when your liver gets overloaded, it can't function at its best. That's where Liver Detox comes in. Now, I know what you're thinking: detox? Isn't that just another health fad? Well, not exactly. When we talk about liver detox, we're not talking about some crazy juice cleanse or expensive supplements. We're talking about supporting your liver's natural detoxification processes. Your liver is detoxing your body all the time. What we want to do is give it a little extra support, kinda like giving your car a tune-up. So, let's get into some natural ways to show your liver some love. Before we go further into this video, like, share, and drop your views about this content and subscribe. It helps YouTube to recommend this video to other viewers. First up, hydration. I know, you've heard it a million times, but there's a reason for that. Water is crucial for flushing toxins out of your body. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. If plain water bores you, try adding some lemon slices. Lemon water isn't just refreshing, it can stimulate liver enzymes and promote detoxification. Next on the list, cruciferous veggies. We're talking broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale. These powerhouse veggies are packed with compounds that support liver function. They're high in fiber, which helps remove toxins through your digestive system, and they contain glucosinolates, which can help enzyme production in the liver. Speaking of veggies, let's talk about garlic. Yeah, it might not do wonders for your breath, but it's amazing for your liver. Garlic is high in allicin and selenium, 2 powerhouse nutrients that help your liver with detoxification. Try adding a clove or 2 to your meals. Your liver will thank you, even if your date might not. Now, here's one you might not have heard of: milk thistle. This herb has been used for centuries to support liver health. It contains a compound called silymarin, which is believed to help protect liver cells from damage and support their regeneration. You can find milk thistle supplements at most health food stores, but as always, check with your doctor before starting any new supplement. Alright, we're about halfway through. How are you doing? Still with me? Great! Let's keep going. Let's talk about turmeric. This bright yellow spice isn't just great for adding color to your curry, it's also fantastic for your liver. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can help protect your liver cells from damage. Try adding it to smoothies, soups, or even making a turmeric latte. Now, here's something you might not expect on a liver detox list: coffee. Yep, your morning cup of joe might be doing your liver some good. Studies have shown that coffee can help protect against fatty liver disease and even reduce the risk of liver cancer. But don't go overboard, we're talking 1 to 2 cups a day, not a whole pot. Okay, now for the not-so-fun part. If you want to support your liver, there are a few things you might need to cut back on. First up, alcohol. Your liver processes alcohol, and too much can lead to inflammation and damage. If you do drink, try to keep it moderate. That's 1 drink a day for women, 2 for men. Next, processed foods. These are often high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, all of which can put stress on your liver. Try to focus on whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. And lastly, be mindful of medications. Now, I'm not saying to stop taking your prescribed meds, always follow your doctor's advice. But be aware that many medications are processed by your liver, including over-the-counter pain relievers. Use them only as needed and as directed. Now, let's talk about some lifestyle changes that can support liver health. First up, exercise. Regular physical activity can help reduce inflammation and fat buildup in the liver. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Sleep is another big one. Your body does a lot of its detoxing while you're asleep, so make sure you're getting enough shut-eye. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. And don't forget about stress management. Chronic stress can take a toll on your liver, so find ways to relax and unwind. Maybe try meditation, yoga, or even just taking a few deep breaths when you're feeling overwhelmed. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended healthy living products. Remember, these are all natural ways to support your liver's detoxification processes. There's no need for extreme cleanses or expensive detox programs. Just focus on giving your liver the support it needs to do its job. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these liver-loving tips? Do you have any other natural remedies you swear by? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your liver will thank you. Until next time, keep an eye on your health.